Hi students, welcome to online computer graphics programming part. In previous video already I have shown how to run this program with respect to the polygon clipping and as well as the line clipping algorithm. Now we'll go for seventh one where we are going to work on the GLUT and as well as the GLFW. So before we are working on this GLUT and GLFW, let us see whether we have set up the GLFW or not. Okay. So let us start. Go to the my PC, that is C drive. Go to the my program files and go for code blocks, and again go for min.gw and x86 64 32, and here is a GLFW. Either you need to have these two header files. Okay. First, let me first confirm whether we have this or not. Okay. Again, go for a bin. So GLFEW. So here it is also DLL files also it is there. And again, same this folder should be added here. That is GLFW, same folder which is having a two header files. So before we are going to work on the GLFW, first you need to confirm whether GLFW is present in the include or not. After this, the same folder should be copied here and again paste here. And to run this file, glfw, you should be have a file called glfw3.dll. So let me have this, where exactly we need to download this one. So as per my blog, I have given the direct link to download the GLUT and as well as GLFW. You can go through the my browser, so you can download the related header files which I have provided the direct link in the my browser. Okay. Come back with the before going to GLFW. These are the steps we need to confirm whether we have set up or not. Okay. So let us close this and we'll go for a code blocks. Double click on the code blocks. So double click on the code blocks. So again, first copy this. Let us execute for the first one, a GLUT program. So you can observe here, we have a GLUT program, that is glut.hdr file that should be executed over here. So copy this one, open the notepad. Don't go for notepad. Let me check whether the code block is worked or not. So still it is getting open over here. Just wait a second, it will get opened. Okay. So it is working on. Now it's get opened. So as I told you that don't go for every time for a new project. Just open an existing project. I am opening an existing project. So that is demo. I already worked on the previous, that is demo.cpp. So here is already I worked over here. Just follow these steps. Just create an empty file because already we have created the project over here. So I will give here pgm7 underscore 1 dot 1, that is C. So now it is go for a program and copy this one and paste here. And again go for a program, copy the remaining part. So copy this one and make it as execution. So this is a program where we need to work, that is GLUT, first program. Later we'll go for GLFW. Okay. Now Now it is time to run this program. Before running, what we have to do? Just we need to go for a project and building or build option and linker settings. Not this one. A project, properties. Here building targets. My program number is, it is 7_1. Just check the remaining program should be unchecked. Okay. So before running this program, go for once again confirm that whether we have set the path or not. Compiler and again linker setting. So I have given GLFW also I have given here. For this program, it is not required. I am showing that GLFW. So these are the header files you need to add here, linking libraries. After this, search directories are given as a include. Okay. So this should be checked before we are going to execute GLFW program over here. So click on the OK over here. I have done already everything settings over here. Now click on the build option, go for build and run. So you can see the output where we are getting as OpenGL using GLUT. So this is a basic program where we can able to understand how to run this program. So I hope all of you are understanding this way of executing of the programs. If you have any queries regarding this execution or a procedure, kindly comment your doubts regarding on this practical so I can make any clear for your doubts. Okay. Now let me close this one. Let us go for a second that is program where we say it is a GLFW. So for GLFW again I need to create for this one is a new file that is called as file and empty file. File empty file. So for this let me save this one. PGM7_2. Save this one and close this one. And now copy the programs. So you can observe here glfw.glfp. The header file should be accessed to. For that sake, we need to check before we are going to execute. So let me show here how to execute that program and how to set up before we are going to work on this program. So copy this one and paste here. So to execute this program, as I told you in the that is go for settings, compiler. So for linker setting, check out whether this is typed or not. This is a typed or not. And again, we need to apply this for linker. This is a mandatory to execute this program. Okay. So again, go for a build option and again, it won't run. So I should go for again changing the project property and again build target and uncheck this one 7_1 and I'll check it as a 7_2. Now go for a build and run. So here is it is going to run your program. So here is the output with the GLFW. So this is the program. I hope you understand this program where we have work on the GLUT and as well as GLFW with settings. If you have any queries regarding this practical session, kindly comment on this video so I can clear your doubts. Okay. Definitely thank you. Thank for watching this video.